Hey guys, today I actually will teach you how to use this camera step by step. I'm talking about each of the setting. I will teach you step by step how do you use all this one by one. And I will teach you in depth which one I use the most for most of my pictures. So it doesn't matter if you have S series, Note series, A series, tell you what are the features on each settings and which one are the best, which one I don't use at all. So let's get the video rolling. So before I start this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and share this video. As I told you, I will post a new content every single day to try to make your phone much better. So let's get the video rolling. So we're going to go one by one. Single take, live focus video, hyperlapse, and more. But majority of them, which one I use the most, I will tell you after the video. Alright, so stay tuned, stay all the way to the end. I will tell you everything. So let's talk about the single take. So single take is very simple. You see right here, there is like 5 to 15 seconds recording. So basically it's just like a small recording. Once you start recording, you can see the time it's actually recording. So I'm just going to do pending, up, down, sideways, doesn't matter, right? We just do a very simple one. When you press stop, the software will actually generate multiple shots for you. So as you can see at the bottom here, there's a lot of the shots that they already took for you. The software done everything for you. So let's just say you can see it's already done for you. But if you press this right here, it's actually just a picture. If you press here, it's actually back and forth. So they did everything for you. They generate a new video for you, a short video. For example, if you go like right here, it's just a normal photos with different filters. So basically single take means that they want you to take a 5 to 15 second shots and then they will do everything for you just like that. And then you can actually save it and then put on your Instagram or your Facebook with a different type of videos or different pictures. So let's talk about the live focus. So basically live focus is a very good feature when you're taking shots and you want blurry at the background and you want to focus this object. There's zoom features and there's like zoom out features. And all you have to do is you tap wherever you want to focus. So make the object much brighter and you see the back is blurry. And right here, if you go back to your picture, you can adjust the blurry and the blurriness. So you can change the setting right there. And then you can adjust the settings as well as different type of blurry. So there's a actually different type. You can actually do black and white as well too. And then the color will be on your object. So I actually use this for most of my photos on Instagram. And I love this a lot. It's because this can provide me professional pictures. And usually, if you can see, it's more than 5 megabytes per shots. So there's a lot of information inside these photos when you're using live focus shots. So let's talk about the live focus video. So it's going to be same as live focus shots, right? As in pictures. But live focus video is for a video and there's only one set of distance. So you cannot go zoom in and out as live focus. Live focus video is only one certain distance. Okay. So you have to move your object yourself instead of zooming in and out with your camera. You only can use this when you're doing a portrait video or vlogging with only one person, or if you're shooting a person. I'm not focusing the background. I'm only focusing on that person. And that time, when I use live focus video, it will turn out to be very nice. The video will look so amazing. Live focus video, I will highly suggest you to do that if you do a lot of vlogging. Photos is super simple and easy. The trick is there is like ultra wide angle lens, regular lens, and zoom in lens. So a lot of time, I actually will use wide angle for my full shot more because it's better. Regular shots, it doesn't really mean anything because I will use live focus. And zoom in, I usually use this for my moon shot. Okay, so if you haven't looked at my Instagram shots, I have a moonshot with the zooming all the way like to 50 times zoom. So this one, I only use it when I'm actually taking moonshot if I want to zoom all the way in, and then I will use this. So let's talk about video, regular video. There's a difference. You have to know about this. Zoom-in shots or regular shots, when you're taking videos, is okay. The lighting is actually pretty good. Even though if you're in the dark, it's actually still pretty good. So no problem when you're using a regular and zoom-in shot. However, if you're using the wide angle, you have to be aware that the wide angle, the aperture is a little bit, it's like 2.3 or higher. So if you have low lighting, let's say your surrounding is so dark, if you use wide angle, sometimes the outcome, it doesn't look that good. And there's a lot of noise. It just doesn't look clear at all. If you're using wide angle recording, it will turn out to be a little bit not that good. If you're on the daytime, you have just to be aware that like if you go all the way in and zoom out like this, and you actually use a wide angle to record, sometimes they don't focus. Because you're using a wide angle lens, they do not focus that well. There is like this thing called steady mode, okay, super steady mode. If you turn this on and if you start recording, doesn't matter if you walk a little bit faster or even running, this recording will stabilize everything for you, okay? So this is a very good features if you want to stabilize your video. But remember, when you have super steady, sometimes at nighttime it's not going to be as great as you think. Night shot. If you're taking the shot at daytime, if you're using a night shot, it's actually turned out to be a little bit better as well too. If you haven't tried this yet, try this out. Night shot in daytime is actually, it looks amazing. It looks sharper, it looks like it's HDR, and everything looks brighter and sharper. And I like the color as well too from the night shots. So I usually highly recommend people take the night shot. Even with the wide angle lens, they will brighten the picture up and they will be a little bit more sharper as well too than the regular photo. I'm not sure if you have tried that before, but yes, you should try this out. Night shot, Samsung camera features. Okay, promo. Promo is, I'm gonna have a separate video on this promo. And basically promo, you can adjust your shutter speed, your aperture, your white balance, your ISO, everything. You can control everything under these categories. Panorama. So I think you guys all know about this. So I don't really use this at all. I never use this. So basically you just pan, okay? Once you start taking pictures, you just pan your screen, right? Until when you think it's ready to stop, you stop. You don't have to complete the whole thing. Let's just say you have a group of people, you can stop whenever you want. You don't have to complete the whole task. So let's just say if you want to complete from here to there, but because it doesn't fit the whole lens, you can just panorama from here to there and you stop by yourself. So this is the shot that I just took. Very simple, easy, right? But at least I took from this to here, which regular lens cannot do it. So as you can see, it's still with a very high megabyte. So basically this is a good quality picture as well too. You can actually print it out if you want to. Okay, Hyperlapse. Hyperlapse is one of the features I would highly recommend you to try it out just for fun. Hyperlapse is basically a fast mode shooting, okay? So in Hyperlapse at the top here, you can adjust your speed. So you can go at 32, 64, 16. Usually I use this when I'm recording, when I'm driving. So I put this on the dash and then it just start recording. And then I usually will go like 8 times speed right here, 8 times. And then they will just start with fast forward the whole video for you. So you don't have to do anything. That's called Hyperlapse. So let's talk about the food mode. You see this square right here? This square, it will focus on that little part. Right here, this is the coloring. And you can actually adjust your color by using this. It depends your full color. You can adjust your color by using these features and then adjust your color. This is a blurry. You can actually extend this if you have like a tray, you can extend this blurriness. Okay, and this one here is for your, so sometimes you don't have to do only for food, you can do anything. Okay, you can do anything you want. You want to change the color, the hue, you can use these features as well too. Okay, one more thing I would like to show you is called super slow-mo. I would like to tell you that super slow-mo only good when you in the daytime, not nighttime, because the frame per second is around like 960. So if you have a very dark area, it doesn't capture anything because there's too much frame in 1 second. You have to go into the daytime to record super slow-mo. You cannot use it in the nighttime. It's very hard for you to capture anything. I mean, anything. So this is my tutorial for camera usage on your phone. Okay, this is a tutorial how to use your camera on your Samsung device. Okay, so this is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Every single Note series, they will have this very similar features, settings, everything on here. I don't use photos. I don't use just a regular food. I don't use majority of these. Okay, sometimes I use night mode, sometimes I don't. Panorama, I don't use that at all. Mostly I use, like most of the time I use, is the light focus features. I use this quite often. Like light focus features is like the most I ever use. Okay, other than that, I use light focus video. I use pro mode if I'm in the night shots. I use night mode on daytime as well sometimes, just to play around. And I use super slow mo if we're able to play sports once again, right, during this COVID. But I use super slow mo as well. Let's just say someone is jogging the ball, handling the puck, shooting the puck. I actually will use super slow mo to help them to capture that moment. Subscribe my channel, share this video. I hope this video will help you to how to operate your camera. Have a nice day. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.